What are the potential long-term effects of using 3D printed dental implants in terms of durability, integration with the bone, and overall health? This person did their research. Integration with the bone.
Yeah, so fancy word, right? Integration with the bone, right? So, um, uh, so what this person is asking is, 3D printed dental implants, and that's what they are talking about. I think there is a little bit of a confusion on the term that you may be asking. I don't know whether you're talking about the 3D printed guide that we are using to for the dental implant procedure, or you're really referring to the 3D printed dental implants. And we have come so far far as the technology. We can offer the 3D printed guides, and then in the past we used to send it somewhere. Now we can print it right in house to do the 3D printed guides. But to my knowledge, the dental implant cannot be 3D printed. So the actual device that we implant inside your bone, and to my knowledge, it cannot be 3D printed at this point of the game. So will it be available tomorrow? Is somebody working on it? To my knowledge, like I don't think anybody is available at this point. Could somebody be working on it? But it's very possible, right? So if you can you use the 3D printed technology to for the dental implant, it is very widely done, and we use it in our dental office, and that's not like that is not a problem at all. And to answer your question, um, on is there any long term effects on doing that? Actually, it's a great benefit, and 3D guided dental surgery, it is going to be like more of a customized solution as opposed to we are doing a lot of guesswork. So that is not a problem at all, and I absolutely would recommend that. And then to answer your question on the integration, what the that you're asking is, whether it is a added benefit to the integration. I don't think there is any benefit because, as I said earlier, the dental implants comes from the dental implant manufacturers. They all have integration, which means like the bone fusing around the implant. And I don't think there is anything to deal with the 3D the models or the 3D printing that we are going to do with integration, because they all have the integration that is common to the dental implant industry.
Absolutely. Well, they definitely looked into that one. That was a good
That's a
one.
really good question. Yeah, really good question. Yeah.
Perfect.